Hi, my name is Alex Bignotti. I'm a senior lecturer at the Department of Business Management of the University of Pretoria. I had the privilege of leading a VLIR-UOS funded project titled Strengthening the Academic Ecosystem for Social Entrepreneurship as a Catalyst to Job Creation and Social and Economic Change. Social entrepreneurship is very important for South Africa. It is the tool we, civil society, have at our disposal to run economically viable initiatives that solve neglected social problems. So with this background and for this reason, in 2018, Professor Alex Antonitis, my head of department, Professor Philip de Boele from KU Leuven, and Dr. Karin Krieger, currently at the London School of Economics, and I felt the need to coordinate a number of activities to bring together entrepreneurship scholars and advance the scholarly discipline in South Africa. The activities we ran under this project, broadly speaking, would fall under three main categories: teaching, research, and training. Under teaching, we felt the need to make available to the social entrepreneurship educator a number of resources to help them devise their own programs and courses in social entrepreneurship, given the dearth of teaching and education in the country and our universities. So the first deliverable is a curriculum blueprint on social entrepreneurship, social impact measurement, and impact investment. This is to help the social entrepreneurship educator to come up with their own course or program. And the learning design plan, which accompanies it, is an online course telling them or guiding them through this process of curriculum design and designing their own program. To aid the teaching in the classroom, we also ran a special issue with Emerald Emerging Markets case studies to offer relevant real-life case studies from the continent. And so the social entrepreneurship educator has now 11 case studies available to tell the story of social entrepreneurs in Africa and teach using the case study method. We also made available some teaching resources online with Social Change Innovators, an online platform with a number of teaching resources such as reading lists, websites that can be used, and other tools to be used in the classroom. And to bring everything together, we also ran 2 webinars to guide our colleagues, our collaborators through the use of these resources. Under research, we ran a colloquium in 2019 and a research workshop in 2019, bringing together social entrepreneurship scholars from South Africa and Africa at large, and also attended by a number of international prominent scholars. These workshops helped us to agree on a common research agenda, and this has resulted concretely in a study on global value chains and social upgrading, and an incipient study on the typology of social enterprises in Africa. There was also a joint PhD, which was Karin's PhD, which mapped hard-to-reach populations of social enterprise organizations, and this fed into the ILO's work on the social and solidarity economy in South Africa and the social economy policy. And under training, we ran a number of events to help our scholars on the continent, and specifically in South Africa, to learn how to publish and how to teach in the classroom. Highlight here were the webinars on publishing high impact research in social entrepreneurship with Sophie Bach, Tom Lanking, Michael Roy, and Johan Bruneel. Finally, a big outcome of this project, almost like a spin-off, is the African Network of Social Entrepreneurship Scholars. This is the community that emerged out of this project, currently numbering 236 members from 43 African countries. This network is still growing, and we hope to formalize it in the next few months, and to bring it more legitimacy by strengthening our partnerships with EMES in Europe, Social Change Innovators, and the African Social Enterprise Workshop. Ultimately, we hope this project has really advanced the field of social entrepreneurship, the scholarly field, and has been a stepping stone for bringing social change in South Africa with university-led activities and initiatives. Thank you very much.